Yes, Mr.
No,
Policeman?
I gave you a ticket.
What do you mean? Why did I get a ticket?
I took your straps off.
I took my straps off?
Yeah.
I don't want a ticket. Please don't give me a ticket. Do I have to? I don't want to.
Just read it.
Okay, thanks.
I gave you you.
I don't want a ticket.
I gave you them.
Why did I get a ticket?
You took your straps off.
I took my straps off in the car?
Yes.
And I'm supposed to leave my car seat straps on, huh?
You got a ticket.
I get a ticket when I take them off?
Go now.
Go to jail? Okay. Is this jail? I'm in jail.
Why is Mommy in jail,
Can
Sam?
I get out of jail?
Yes.
Thanks, buddy. Give me a kiss and I'll get out of jail. No, a real one.
Say bye-bye, Sam.
Bye.